What it do, baby? So today I'm going to a Lakers basketball game. So I thought, let me go ahead and do a little get ready with me, and then I take y'all with me to the Lakers game. Because if y'all have never been to a Lakers game, then I can show you what goes down. My man's birthday is this week, so a little early birthday gift. We're going to the Lakers game. So I just decided to take y'all with us. So we're gonna go ahead and get started with this hair, and I'm gonna do my makeup after, and then we're gonna get dressed, and then we're gonna head on out. So today I actually wanted to do like a ponytail, like a slick high pony with little hair pieces out. Yeah. Oh yeah, just like that. Or with baby hairs. I cannot decide if I want to leave the little two pieces out, so I'm gonna test it out before. Because if I leave the pieces out and I get that slick pony up there and I don't like it, oh man, I will be quite angry. And I don't really do this. Like, I don't ever part it out. I normally just leave it out. So I'm gonna go ahead and see how these little things wanna curl, if they feel like being nice to me. So I'm gonna go ahead and start off with this Not Your Mother's Curl Talk Defining Cream. I'm gonna put a little bit of this in each piece. I'm gonna go ahead and get this Tangle Teaser brush and just brush them to the sides. Scrunch them. Do they look leaf aboutable? They look like they can be cute. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of the Camille Rose Curl Maker. Just gonna throw that right on top. Just a little bit. I just wanna make sure these curls are juicy and popping. You know. So I'm actually gonna finger twirl a little bit just because I want them to not stick up. So I'm gonna finger twirl the top of it so it goes that way. There we go. And then do the same thing over here. Just finger twist like the top of it this way. And then scrunchity bunch. Much better. Okay, now I'm gonna do the back ponytail. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get a comb, and we're gonna comb all of this straight back. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip my hair up and comb all these pieces up so that I can get it in a high pony. So now that I have my hair up, I'm gonna go ahead and get a hair tie and then just pull it up how it is. So this is what I'll do just so I can get like all of my products in the hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the Not Your Mother's Curl Talk Defining Cream again. And I'm just gonna put this on my hair. And then a little bit more of the curl maker. There we go. So now that that's all in my hair, I'm gonna go ahead and take the hair tie out. Now I'm going to get my Tangle Teaser, and we're gonna go ahead and brush all of that product through so my hair is super smooth. There we go. So now that it's super smooth, I'm gonna go ahead and put the hair tie in one more time. It doesn't have to be super tight and like perfect because I have one more step before the final pony. This is a lot of up and down, but this is like how I can get my hair super smooth and with all the products that I need in it, because sometimes if I just use like these two products and stuff, like it starts getting frizzy. I want to make sure that gets all the way through, and then I want to top it off with like a pomade so it stays slick all day. So next I'm going to use this EYNN 24-hour edge tamer. I just like these kind of pomades for on top of your hair. It just keeps your ponies so slick. And like, this is one of those bottles that if you like hit it, it makes like a jiggly noise, and I like that. It's just like a really nice thick gel texture. And I love using stuff like this for ponytails. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and place this on top to finish it off before we slick it down. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get a bristle brush. I have one with the soft side and then a hard side. I'm gonna use the hard side, and then we're just gonna brush, 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 and slick everything down. Then you just wanna make sure you pull it super tight, and then get your hair tie, and she's ready to get pulled up. So you're gonna have to use all the muscles you have in your body to get this on tight. There we go. So you want to make sure to tighten the top part, and then also flip your ponytail over and then pull the back and tighten the back also. Now I'm gonna get the defining cream again, and we're gonna put that through the back of the hair. Now I'm gonna put curl maker inside of my ponytail. This stuff just makes it so nice and slippery and slick. So after you get it all brushed through, you want to scrunch it up a little bit. Then I'm going to go ahead and put Aussie Miracle Curls Cream Pudding in. Before I actually put that in, I'm going to get a microfiber towel, and then we're just going to go ahead and scrunch any of the excess water out because there's a lot in there. To lock in the curls, I use this kind of like a gel because it doesn't leave my hair crunchy at all, but it locks it in. So just go ahead and place that on top and then scrunch. Just like this, squeeze and scrunch. And then lastly, I'm gonna take a little bit more of the edge tamer, get an edge brush, and I'm just gonna go ahead and swoop down the sides and then back up. So it looks like that. There we go. So here is the final hair look. It's super cute. And there we go. So here is the final hair look. This is how you keep a nice wet pony. So now it's time to go to the makeup.
You have to be your biggest fan. And when things are really tough and they're really rough and nothing's working, but there's something inside of you that says, I just have to follow that. Because you don't know who you're going to meet, who you're going to meet, who you're going to meet.
Okay, so I just got dressed. I'm wearing the jacket halfway on because I'm trying to decide if I want to wear it or not. I am wearing this black bodysuit with some Nikes and some jeans. These are the Colin Kaepernick one. Ooh. Yeah, these shoes are fire. Got these jeans at Topshop. They're like a dad fit, but they're a little bit big on my waist, but they're so comfortable. I love them. So yeah, I have this. Let me just show you. So this is the fit without the jacket. Don't really know if I'm gonna just walk in there like this. I might. It's hot today, so I think I can. I don't mind it. I think it's 80. I might take my jacket though because I know I'm gonna get cold. I know myself. Oh, I ended up putting my hair in a bun just because I like the way the bun looked. I'm so indecisive. But yeah, so boom. Like, look how cute this looks. Don't mind my mess over there and over here. Just ignore it. And I'm chewing on my gum. Wow, how rude am I? It's cute or whatever. Yo, like these shoes, I'm literally obsessed with them. Oh man, I'm so glad I got these. These are some gems. Not easy to get. Okie dokie. So when my boyfriend gets here, we're gonna go eat. I may pull out the camera and show y'all what we're gonna go eat. And yeah, let's get ready to go to the Lakers game. Laker girls. If you don't know what that is, then I'll show you at the game. Hot, just kidding. We're not eating because someone takes forever to get dressed. So I'm gonna eat this Snickers because, you know, Snickers make you happy. Took my hair out of a bun because it fell out. I was doing TikToks while I was waiting. And then I fell out, so now I need to put it back up, or I just need to leave it. But now it's because it was in a bun. The ends stretched, so it looks weird now at the ends. So yeah, I need to go fix my bun. The Lakers. Trying to take some selfies.
Yeah, I'm looking at you.
Look at you looking at me. Look at you looking at me. Look at him.
Ladies and gentlemen, your attention please, because it on to the And now director to the center court for tonight's game ball, next runner by
I know my energy and never die. I need my inner peace and peace of mind. I'm making history with all the guys. Say got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling.
LeBron James. Into the line, final score, Lakers 118, Pelicans 109.
So that was the end of the game, and this is the end of my video. I just got home, took off my makeup, fresh face. I have a gym early in the morning, so I gotta get to bed soon. And then yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this type of video. If you like these types of get ready with me or vlog style videos where I take you with me, go ahead and let me know in the comments below. And yeah, it's just so I know, because if y'all like it, I can make more of it. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed it, like I said, and I will see you guys in my next upload. Bye.